My name is Niranjan Miti, and the presentation I'm doing here is based on the idea of smart timer based switch. So let's begin. Starting on with the problem statement, we might have generally observed that people forget to turn off the electrical appliances when they are 100% coming. Like example, the phones, the laptops are kept on charge and they often forget to turn it off when they are 100%. And this small habit is leading to the high energy wastage, and in return they are paying high electricity bills, which is a very good concern to be considered. This common scenario is mostly observed in the homes, hostels, even offices also. So this needs to be considered, and the automation is needed in this area to be solved. As I said, since the automation is lacking in the button switches which you are using every day, so what is the solution then? There is a solution for this, and that is the smart timer based switch, which works as follows, which I'm going to explain now. It is a timer based switch which will automatically cut off the power when we have set the limit of the time. We will be entering that limit on the type of the display which we are using on the button. I'll explain it to you in a moment. And this ensures that no longer the device will be turned on when the relay module, the module we have used, is commanded to turn it off. So what happens here? That basically is a user will set a time on the display which is present on the button, and that is read by the ESP32 which we are using, the microcontroller, and it will set the timer to that user input timer level. And when the timer rings up, the relay module cuts off the power supply sense, and the power supply is no longer provided to the electrical appliances, saving by the electricity when we are not in use. This is a flow chart in which the following mechanism is followed, and the input which is given by the user on the button itself is read by the microcontroller ESP32 that we have used, and the relay power module is used to turn off the power, cut off the power when the ESP32 commands it to turn it off, and thereby saving the energy. The technical components we use to implement this design is the LCD display, which is taken to read the input from the user, and the ESP32, which is a microcontroller which is used to process the input which is given by the user, and the power supply, which is basic for all the appliances, and the relay module, which is used to cut off the power supply when the ESP32 commands it to do so, and the Wi-Fi module is a future integration we are hoping to do, which is needed to access with mobiles also, saving a lot more energy. Coming on to the impact on the scalability, almost all the buildings will have the common buttons which we are using in everyday life, and the implementation is very easy and the scalability is profoundly vast. It can be used to save the electricity, easy installation, which is an existing switchbox also we can use it, which is a very low cost solution and which will give in high return of energy savings, which is very much important and helps in sustainable efforts which we are doing it. That's it from my side. Thank you.